Today, we're gonna show you how to add more flavor to your kettle grill by using something as simple as wood chips. Today, we're gonna be using apple chips. I like apple chips because they add a really nice, smooth, mellow, easy smoke flavor. Now, when it comes to wood chips, I look at wood chips this way. Wood chips are definitely designed to give you a burst of finishing smoke. Now, I leave my wood chips dry. I don't add any moisture and I don't soak them in anything because I wanna get the true flavor of that wood out. And anytime you add moisture to the chips, I feel like it muddies up your flavors by creating wood steam, if you will. I like to keep my flavors pure and pristine, allowing me to really taste the beauty of that smoke. So we took the time, we established our fire. Now we're gonna go ahead and add some of those wood chips. Now, what I will do for the most part is just lift up my cooking grate and I will add those chips right to the top. And I'm gonna sprinkle a small amount on there. I always feel like less is more when it comes to those wood chips because too much can be obviously too much. And you'll see that they start to ignite and they put off a little bit of smoke. Now the beauty is I can have my food offset or I can have my food directly over that. I'm gonna get a great smoke flavor. Pretty quick and easy way to add amazing flavor to your kettle using chips as that burst of finishing smoke. Tell you what, if you're looking to turn your kettle into a smoker, be sure to watch that video. That's coming up next.